Niko's kite string was blue, but the broken sign held a red string. Why was the red string there? Write your guess in one English sentence. The wind came from the sea that morning. It moved the flags above Rose Lane. It moved the paper bags at the bakery. It moved Niko's blue kite high in the sky. Ah, easy, easy. Niko held the kite string with both hands. The string was blue. Lena walked beside him with a small basket.
The wind is strong today.
Yes, I will not fly near the shops.
A yellow scarf blew across the street. Niko pulled his kite down. Then he caught the scarf before it touched the wet ground. Here it is. He gave it back to a small child. Lena smiled.
Good catch.
Niko tied his kite string around his wrist. He looked at the bakery sign. The sign said, "Fresh bread." It swung a little in the wind.
That sign is moving.
We should tell Nina.
Before they reached the door, a loud crack came from above. The bakery sign fell.
It hit the wooden bench. Bread bags jumped on the table. Nina ran out of the bakery.
Oh no, my sign.
People turned and looked. Niko stood near the bench. His kite was still in the air. Someone said the kite pulled the sign down.
No, my kite was not near the sign.
Niko held up his blue string.
My string is here.
Nina looked at the broken sign.
There is string on it.
A piece of string was wrapped around one corner of the sign. It was red. But at first, nobody looked closely. Niko looked down.
I did not do it.
Lena stood beside him.
Niko brought the kite down to help a child.
The wind pushed the kite again. Niko pulled it lower and folded it.
I can put it away.
Thank you.
Niko's hands were slow. He did not speak. Lena watched the red string on the sign. It did not match Niko's kite.
Wait.
She picked up Niko's string.
Niko's string is blue.
She pointed to the broken sign.
That string is red.
Nina looked more closely.
You are right.
Lena looked across the street.
On the old market wall, a red banner moved in the wind.
One corner of the banner was loose.
That banner has red string.
Everyone looked. The red string from the banner was long. It crossed above the street. It reached the bakery sign.
The banner string caught my sign.
The person who tied the banner came over and looked sorry. Niko looked at his blue string. Then he looked at the red string.
It was confusing.
The colors helped. I am sorry, Niko. I saw the kite and I worried too fast.
It is okay. The sign can be fixed.
Niko helped Nina lift the sign.
Lena held the red string in her hand.
Small colors matter.
Very much.
Nina brought warm bread for everyone who helped. The child with the yellow scarf waved at Niko. Niko smiled and put the blue kite in his bag. The answer was this. The red string came from the old market banner. Niko's kite string was blue, so his kite did not pull down the bakery sign. Were you right? Write one English sentence in the comments.
Now listen to useful words from the story.
String. String is a long, thin line. A sign. A sign gives information.
Color. A color can help you see what is different.
Now repeat. The string was red. Niko's kite was blue. I did not do it. Small colors matter. Quick practice. Question 1. What color was Niko's string? Question 2. What pulled the bakery sign down? Question 3. What small detail helped Lena? If you like Niko and the sea, you can also watch the story where Mila first meets him by the beach. Lena looked carefully at one small color. You can practice English the same way, one small detail at a time. The links in the description can help you continue. New slow English stories arrive every week. Subscribe so the new stories are easy to find.